Many of you might not have known that you can actually attach your trading orders to actual indicators. Now, these would only, I believe, work on the default indicators that's included on the NinjaTrader 8 platform. Now, to tell you what I mean here, let's, for example, go and attach an indicator, and I'm just going to use, for example, I think this would be a really good example to use this on the Bollinger Band. I'm just going to use the default settings and apply that to the NASDAQ on a 5-minute time frame. Now what I want to do is go over to my chart trader. And if this is the first time you want to test this out, I really do think it would be a good idea to keep it on your sim account. I'm just going to use one contract for now. And to demonstrate what I'm talking about, let's say, for example, we believe the NASDAQ is going to move up from here after reaching this middle band of the Bollinger. Again, it could be any one of the default indicators included in NinjaTrader 8. To demonstrate, let's say, for example, I think the market's going to move up, and I'm just going to hit buy market here, right? And as always, you're probably going to place a stop. Let's just do that manually, and we attach stop there. Now, let's say we want to have a target. Do the same thing, place another target to the upside. Now, if you want to attach these orders to the actual indicator, all you do is go to the individual orders, let's say in this case the stop loss, you right click on it, get this little arrow to the side and head on over to attach to indicator and to properties. What happens next is this little window pops over here, and now since we think, let's say, the market's going to move upwards, we could, for example, say we want to attach our stop loss, because we selected that stop loss first, to the lower band of this indicator, in this case the Bollinger Band. You can also use offset, and that would just basically mean how far away that stop loss should be from the lower band. You want to have it on it, or just a little bit above it, or just a little bit below it. I'm just going to leave it at 0 for now. If I click OK, you'll see that it has now moved to that lower band. You can do exactly the same thing with your target order. Again, just go right click, little arrow, attach to indicator, properties. In this case, thinking the market might move up, we could attach our sell limit order for that first target, potentially at the upper band. In this case, believing the market go up, I'm just going to leave the offset at 0 and hit OK as well. Now, very cool. As the time goes by, every candle closes, these orders will then actually automatically move along with the upper and the lower band of the Bollinger Band, right? The indicator itself. So it adapts or automatically adjusts itself with the upper and lower bands on the fly. So a really cool feature, maybe something you haven't known before, but in the end, something that's worth showing. I only knew about this like a couple of months back, actually, and I've been using NinjaTrader 8 for quite some time. Please remember to hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment if you want to, and also don't forget, if you want to join our free Indicator of the Month Club, then please go check the link out in the description. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.